Greetings again. This is just a reminder that we have a $50 giveaway when we reach 1,500 subscribers, so please hit that like and subscribe button and comment on our videos. For today's adventure, we will be going to Home Depot, or as some call it Home Depot, to look at their Halloween displays and animatronics and decorations. I will say of any of the stores I've gone to that the quality of what I saw at Home Depot was probably the highest. The costumes were done well, they were finished, the quality of painting, sculpting, the quality of the animatronics movement, and the prices are pretty good too. This Grim Reaper is really cool. It lit up on the inside. It had sort of a fiery effect. You can see that the head movement is not basic. It's sort of turning and spinning on its head. Just very nicely done. Witch's Cauldron, very nicely done. I wish we had like something like smoke coming out of it. Would have been a little bit cooler. For $79, that's pretty good. Here we have this Angel of Death that was very creepy. Tombstones made from styrofoam, but these are very nicely sculpted. Gargoyles of a pelican, I don't know why, but it looked nice. I believe in France sometimes there are standard pelican gargoyles. They probably just copied it off a medieval castle. These are styrofoam, but they were very beautifully sculpted, almost realistic looking. Here we have this Deadite figure. Spooky Bride, that's a pretty good price or something like that. It appears that she's floating off the floor. Her face was cracked, giving it sort of a witchy look. This is one of the bigger displays. It's Charon. I wish Charon, for as big and beautiful it was, maybe his face would move like the other skeleton did and say something sort of meaningful. Scary grandma, but then again, his grandma isn't scary. This one wasn't my favorite, didn't do much. It was nicely painted. Had a fiery effect inside. These little twin pumplins were kind of cool. I believe it was $79 for both of them.
I hope we see some ghosts and goblins tonight.
Give us something good and sweet.
And a scary doll. Couldn't get her to work. More tombstones and more gates. The life-size skeleton everybody has. A wreath. I'm not too crazy about that. There were fall decorations out, but not too many of them when I was there. Flags. Floor mats. And some fall and Halloween pillows. Here we had a tinsel section. I must say I'm not big on tinsel, but I really like the way these tinsel figures look. They look really nice here. You can also find some of these at the dollar store. They're really cute for kids or for family Halloween. Boo. The dog was made out of tinsel. This was the mini animatronic section. It had really cute figures that moved. Look at that ghost. Something else. The usual Halloween characters from Nightmare Before Christmas were there. They usually danced and sang. All very cute. Boogie Boogie. The Minions. A skeleton playing a fiddle. Hey, why not? It was in there, Mickey Mouse characters. And the usual holiday gnome, which I wish would go away. Look at him go. I almost bought this crow. It was very nicely done. I'm still thinking about getting it. I really liked it. I guess maybe he don't want to dance. These were the large outdoor inflatable displays. Also very nicely done. Some of the projections they have. And the usual skeletal animals, and some of these lit up and moved. So they were a little more expensive than some of the discount stores. A turtle, which I thought was strange. A large cat. There's a smaller version of that cat at Walmart that doesn't light up. Bags of bones, just in case you need some. This howling dog or wolf is really neat. I guess it was sound activated because it triggered the other one. Some more of the animatronics. More of the blow-up features, some for fall. Variety of lighted pumpkins, some scary, some friendly. These rotten ones are a little more cool. They had a light inside that usually looked like it was some kind of flame. I don't know if that one had a light. Some decorative stacked pumpkins. I wish they would have the flame inside of a regular cute pumpkin. I need one for a table display. For some reason I can't find it. They only have them in the scary pumpkins. A nice crystal ball with sort of a wooden hand. More kitty displays, inflatables from Disney. These are mini animatronics of figures that moved. Different types of animated yard stakes, pathway liners. I think I've seen a couple of these in another store. Those are all very nicely made. Different LED solar lights. Halloween steins for kids. So that was it. And I will say these were some of the nicer things that I've seen for Halloween. And we have a little fall section of wheat. Just for your entertainment. That seemed to be very, very expensive. $29 for that. All in all, this store had high quality Halloween stuff. If you're looking for animatronics that are very professionally made, this is the place to go. I'm going to give this rating a 5-star just because of the quality of what I saw there. Once again, please hit like and subscribe and comment on this video or any others to join our contest where you can win $50. Thanks for watching.